Welcome back, our viewers. We are still continuing with UCE response biology paper item 1. In the previous video, we saw part A. Now we are going on part B, which says explain how the plants managed to behave the way they did when the insect larvae disappeared. Insect larvae, that one is part of stages of growth of insects. So some insects, they do have complete metamorphosis, which you saw, some of you who are in senior 4 or senior 3, who did growth and development, where they have eggs, larvae, pupa, and adult. So the adult becomes a butterfly. So the larvae, it is the caterpillar. And we don't know that caterpillars always destroy plants like beans and maize. So the question says, explain how the plant managed to behave the way they did when the caterpillar or insect larvae disappeared. We don't know that during that stage, the pupa is collecting the food it is going to use in its dormant stage. So it has to eat everything possible in the preparation for its dormant stage, which is pupa. So after reaching pupa, it means the larvae disappeared from the garden of this farmer. So the question says, after some time, the larvae disappeared and the plants resumed growing. Excuse me. Many branches, flowers, and fruits. So this one means if the plant again produced many branches, always branches comes with leaves. So if leaves are there, it means it is going to solve some of the problems we saw in part A. How? So if we are having many branches which have leaves, it means many leaves comes with high rate of photosynthesis. So it means after some time the plant managed to resume photosynthesis in the way it is supposed to be. After resuming photosynthesis, it means even the food for growth was somehow available. This one led to growth of the plant. That one is point number 1. Number 2. Branches, many branches, it means it enhanced secondary growth. It means this plant somehow it was a dicot, because we all know that in monocots there is no secondary growth, there is no branches, so it is only the dicots which undergo secondary growth. So if I'm having many branches, it means even the fruit formation is going to occur. So many branches enhance secondary growth. Which increases the rate of It means pollination occurred. If pollination occurs, which is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther heads to the stigma, so it means if pollination occurs, fruit formation is going to occur, which is the food or which is the harvest of the farmer. So many leaves, many flowers lead to fruit formation. Hence, managing to get some harvest. So this farmer managed to get some harvest because of the many leaves which came, because of the many flowers, which came after the disappearing of these larvae. Another point here which you can talk of, transpiration. Also resumed. Hence, which led to transportation of water from roots where it is absorbed to the leaves. Hence growth. Another thing, gaseous exchange resumed, which helped the plant to receive carbon dioxide for the photosynthesis. Another thing, there are many things which you can generate out of this. Most of the things which are here in part A can come here. So after the problem going, which was the insect larvae, the plants managed to resume, even though the harvest was already affected. If you disturb the plant during its course of growth, the harvest will be affected. So the farmer managed to get some yields, but they were not as expected. So these are some of the ways how this plant managed to behave the way they did. So thank you very much for this part. We are going to continue with part C. We are going to continue with part C. So